come on, climb, 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 come on. Up the mountain, you can climb right with me. Just feel free to feel the breeze. Up the mountain, you can climb right with me. Just feel free to feel the breeze. Sorry, there's no introduction for this song here, so skip it if you want to, but I gotta get down to business to be able to make it across Nepal to Tibet. The house for mountains taller than 27,000 feet, which include Mount Everest, which is 29,028 feet. I'm out of breath, and I haven't started climbing yet, but let me begin to gain my composure and take deep breaths. Now, I know that I'm ready, but I'm all alone, just me and my straw hat and my little itchy little staff. But if you really think about it, Mr. Gandhi had a staff, and if you really think about it, Mr. Moses had a staff. Now, you do the math off, and my rocking chair is where I be lounging, just putting my mental and physical capability on standby. Lord, tomorrow what will happen? Just give it a strength to reach my goal that's on top of the mountain. But what if I slip and fall and everybody sees me and starts to laugh? You know how they do when they giggle and they chuckle. Makes me want to hop off my mountain to give them a knuckle. But I can't do that though, because that's in the flesh. With disobedient, I will let the Lord handle them. I guess I will go my merry way on up the mountain. Up the mountain, you can climb right with me. Just feel free to feel the breeze. Up the mountain, you can climb right with me. Just feel free to feel the breeze. On the mountain, you can climb right with me. Just feel free to feel the breeze. On the mountain, you can climb right with me. Just feel free to feel